And the story is by Pat Hutchins, and we retold it in our own way. So thank you.
I made some cookies for tea. Good, we're starving. Share them between yourselves. I've made cookies. That's 6 each. They look as good as your grandma. And smell as good. No one makes cookies like Grandma. As the doorbell rang.
It was Tom and Hannah from next door.
Come in. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each. They look as good as your grandma's. And smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma. As the doorbell rang.
It was Peter and his little brother.
Come in. You can share the cookies. That's 2 each. They look as good as your grandma. And smell as good. No one makes cookies like Grandma. As the doorbell rang.
It was Maya and Simon and their 4 cousins.
Come in. You can share the cookies. That's 1 each. Even always makes them half one here That's 1 each. And the doorbell rang. And rang. Maybe you should eat your cookies before we open the door. Whoa. How nice to have so many friends to share them with. It's a good thing I made a lot. As the doorbell rang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. You can take a bow. Playing the part of one of the cousins is Amber Carlton. And playing the part of Hannah is Micah Shatlawini. Playing the part of the little brother is Mason Carlton. Playing the part of Maya is Georgia Dent. Playing the part of another cousin Josh is Liam Donovan. And playing the part of Grandma is Hayden Borelli. Playing the part of Ma is Alex El-Shayeb. Playing the part of cousin, thank you, is Julian. Playing the part of the bell ringer is Nick Palajak. And playing the part of another cousin is Aiden Sample. Playing the part of Tom is Claudia Aiden. Playing the part of Peter is Calla Morris. Playing the part of Sam is Linus Kemper. And playing the part of Victoria is Camila Snyder Alani. And And a big thanks to all the parents that helped on this play. And we have a song to sing before we're done here. So 1, 2, 3.
Make new friends, but keep the